Let me request our friend, our brother, the Prime Minister of Ethiopia, to say hello to us. Is that good? Is that okay?
Mr. President, ladies and gentlemen, it's really a great joy to be here and to see young man and woman is smiling and aspiring. It's really great to see you guys working on the future. The right marriage for Kenya, the right marriage for Ethiopia is when the youngsters are devoting or learning on AI, on data mining. Data mining is the future. Today, you're here just to get dollar, but tomorrow, you are protecting Kenya, you are protecting Ethiopia, you are protecting Africa. Because traditionally, when we talk about protecting our sovereignty, we've been talking about territories. But on this specific area, there is no territory. Virtually, people can do whatever they want. Protecting your data is protecting your gold, protecting your money. As much as possible, try to work hard. Devotion will help you a lot tomorrow, not only to create a job for yourself, also for others. If you really want to enjoy the fruits of your labor, devotion is very important. You have to work day and night. You have to save your money. You have to share your knowledge. Together, we can make a difference in East Africa, in Africa. I'm very happy to be here. I wish you all the best.
Another round of applause for our guest. When he goes home after 1 week, what do we send him? We send him with greetings to Ethiopia? Yes. How long should he stay in Kenya? 1 month. Now you know how long you need to stay. Now let me, with a lot of humility, introduce the First Lady of Ethiopia. Thank you very much. The First Lady of Ethiopia, alongside Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed. Situmkaribishe. Thank you very much.
Your Excellencies, we kindly request you to remain for a photo session, a brief one. We request the PS ICT to join, Governor, Nairobi, Ann Peace, Caroline Mwangi, Haman Miller, Abel Kamau, Merlin To, and Peter Karanja kindly. Please join. We can have 2 lines. Then one more with the friends from Ethiopia, kindly. Madam First Lady. And the CSCs around. Yep. Ministers from Ethiopia, ministers from Kenya. Thank you very much, Your Excellencies. Tuwapigie makofi wanapoondoka.